everybody, so today's video is being done in collaboration with Beebeecraft.com. I'm linking the unboxing video down in the description box below, but this is one of the molds that they sent me. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush on some chameleon powder, and then I will be adding some resin.
Sometimes I wonder what you're thinking. You're smiling a little differently. I wonder if it's up for me.
Okay, so basically I'm just going to dab on here around the edges.
Start of October, the foliage of color. We fall like the autumn leaf. I keep going like an evergreen.
Just dip this in alcohol. Go around in the areas where I don't want it. And for any of you that might be interested, Beebeecraft has a YouTube program where you'll get free products by doing videos for them, and you get the chance to do that if you have more than 100 subscribers. So if you're interested, I'm going to be leaving the link for that down in the description as well. So basically, I am just using my chameleon powders on this mold, which has the little indentations for the flowers. So I'm going to give that a try. Let me see, I think I'm going to do this one next. Basically, I'm just dusting the mica powder on the flowers, and then I'm going to get my alcohol on a Q-tip and wipe off the excess where it shouldn't be.
If there's a light in front of me, I swear that I can't see it anymore. When will I find my way back home? I'm in the thick of a crisis. I keep searching, keep trying. The fear of the unknown is blinding. And one day I know this chapter is gonna have a title, and I'll finally understand why I've been going through this spiral. 'Cause tears running down my face, don't think that I'm okay. Stuck here in a struggle. They say to give it time. If there's a light in front of me, I swear that I can't see it anymore. Somebody show me where to go, 'cause I'm so lost in the middle of the dark. Just hoping for a sign.
Okay, so I'm ready to do my resin now. I have this deer head. I'm also going to pour, I think I'm going to do 2 projects in this video. So I think I will also pour a little bit into this round mold. Okay, it's the next day and I'm gonna demold all of these keychains and see how they turned out. So, ooh, very pretty. This is the first one. I think it came out really beautiful. Wow. Okay, and that's the one I put like a brown backing on. So that's that.
Settle down, love. Don't be so restless. Only you have the power to get through this, and you know the truth. Come again, dear. No need to look so scared. I can tell you there's been some good improvements. So sail away.
Okay, here I have my deer head. So I had done some brown mica, also added in some black pigment paste. Oh, wow. How pretty. Oh my goodness. That is really, really, really cool. I don't know if it's going to focus and show you like the details in this mold. This is a matte one, but that's what I want it for. Oh, very cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna add with UV resin some magnets to the back of this to make a refrigerator magnet. Here is the deer head on my refrigerator. I think it came out very cool. I love it as a magnet. I think that's the perfect use for that mold. So I'm going to add some static grass to the bottom area. So basically what I do when I add the static grass is just I use some glue and paint it on there, and then I'll add the grass. Then I will take it outside and shake it off. I'm gonna mix up some resin. I have this other deer mold and the moose that came in the same mold set. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix that up with some brown mica powder and see which one I like best after. And I'm going to just put a thin layer of clear here on top of this so that I'll be able to make another layer.
It drew me in, and I rarely used to let anyone in. It was your smooth, smooth voice that invited me in, and that's where our story really begins. Really begins. Really begins. Heartbeat racing
So it's the next day, and I'm just going to go ahead and demold these two real quick. That's the moose. And then here is the deer. Very nice. Okay, I've made a little saying to go on here in my design space, and let's just see if that will work. And that's where a story really begins. Really begins. Really begins. Heartbeat racing. This is all I need. Heartbeat racing. Is this my reality? Heartbeat racing. Dreaming. It's just you and me. Heartbeat racing. This is all I need. This is all I need. This is all. So it's the next day again, and I'm going to go ahead and demold this. I know I over poured it a little, so I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess. Really begins. Really begins. So here it is up close. I really am loving how this came out, and I think it'll make a nice little piece of wall art for either a bathroom or a hallway, and I'm happy with it. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I appreciate it, and I'll be back next week with some more products from Beebeecraft.